Hi guys, I've got myself a journal. Mostly to practice my handwriting for my upcoming exams, but after journaling for a few times, I have figured out so many things about myself, about the world. And then I realized that I don't really know anything about journaling. Is it going to really benefit my life? Or is it just a waste of time? So within the next 30 days, I'm going to find out what the journaling is really all about. Alrighty, let's have the first journaling session. I found it quite difficult to start. Like nothing felt important enough to write about. However, I remembered a tip to start by writing about things I'm grateful for. This kickstarted my thinking process and suddenly my thoughts began to appear on the paper in front of me. I was just writing and writing and writing and more ideas came and then, boom, I finished. How was it, you might be asking? Well, it felt like I had written a lot of information on a paper. Alright guys. See you tomorrow. Ciao.
Do you ever think about that time when we were young? Everything we dreamt of being, we had so much fun. I don't wanna lose your love. I've been wishing on the stars.
I think it's doable.
If I go back in time for enough.
Okay, I think I got another crazy idea. Basically, I really love adrenaline, but recently there hasn't been much of it in my life. So let's go and flip over this water. French, I don't know what it's called. Alright, so here I was prepping and calculating all the risks that I have to take. Oh god damn! I think I forgot I'm not very good at maths here. That was fun, but I didn't quite do it. So let's go for try 2. Yeah, that was better. Like, I haven't been doing flips for like almost 2 years now, but I think I'm starting to get there. Let's go for try 3. Woo! Did it! On the 3rd try. Oh, I love this adrenaline. Makes me feel so good. It's such a great free feeling. I feel like I'm not in the Matrix anymore. Alright, we are too much in my hobby. Let's keep talking about journaling. I think I already found the first big improvement that journaling does to my life. It gives me a reason to come out of my house. And I wouldn't be doing flips here, discovering my old hobby, if I didn't come out here to journal.
Tell me all your secrets.
The weather's nice today. That's a perfect opportunity to journal. But well, this ain't doing it for me. Nope. Yep, that's better.
Birds are flying all around. Some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong. Inside a simple song, running careless down the line.
I thought that this place was amazing for journaling, but now there really isn't much sun here, so I think I'm going to find a new spot. Alright, let's teleport. Oh! Wow. Let's journal. I have figured out another benefit journaling offers. Journaling trains my brain to formulate my ideas into words as efficiently and as accurately as possible. And the better we are at it, the more meaningful conversations and bonds we can have with other people. Or the better we can do our job, or I don't know, lead a business, whatever. It's so important in today's world. And I'm quite happy that I found out the way to train it. Alright, I'm done journaling for today. Ciao! I'm currently in my backyard. To be honest, I don't even really want to journal. But we'll see if I'm happy after journaling or happy that I came here today. I feel like I should write about something deep, but I don't really have anything deep in mind. I literally wrote it down here. I don't know if journaling should be something you push yourself to do. I kind of think that you should push yourself to journal because you never know if it's going to be benefiting your life that day or not. I feel like that's how life is, that you can't only have the good things, only the successful days. There has to be some bad days in between. In life, it goes like up and down, but just it's important that it goes mostly up. And I feel with journaling, it's kind of the same. Like sometimes you have a really meaningful, really enjoyable session, but sometimes you have less meaningful sessions, less impactful sessions. But it's important to have them, because otherwise you won't be having the meaningful ones, the good ones. I think that's the lesson I learned today. Do you agree with it? I hope you do, because I feel like it's quite right. I feel like it's the rule of life. I think that's it for today. See ya. Ciao. It has been a few days since we talked, because I wanted to experience journaling as a normal thing rather than a job like it was before. So how was it? Well, it was more amazing and more impactful than I imagined it to be. Journaling helped me to get a better understanding of myself and about the world, and like I now have specifically know where I want to go, in which direction, and how else would I be able to thrive there when I don't even know where I want to go. Maybe I know, yeah, I want some more money and I want a better living, but when you don't even know how that person needs to be, then how you can thrive towards it. Let's journal. I feel now kind of awkward you watching me journal. Like I got so used to like journaling alone. Now I need to be in my present life, not in my work life. I don't even like take it as a work, but it's just another activity, and I can focus on two activities at the same time. Alright, about my life. Yeah, I feel like YouTube is the way I should go. I really do like creating a story. But now when I'm also filming, it's like, why should I write it down? I should instead talk it to you guys. And the result is that pages are empty. Like I do like journaling and I do recommend it to everybody. I just don't like doing it while also having to film it. Oh yeah, one more thing. Basically when I was journaling independently, I found out a new way to journal. And I call it digital journaling. And what it is just basically writing your thoughts to a computer. I use digital journaling for situations when my head is just so full of thoughts and I just feel so stressed about something. Right now I wrote this huge script of texts into Notion and it was amazing. Digital journaling basically allows me to get them all out of me and also make sense of them. And I have found out that the perfect platform for digital journaling is Notion. I mean, Notion actually is perfect for almost anything. I even manage my whole YouTube business there. Like all my scripts, projects and plans are made and managed in Notion. Because firstly it's super versatile, it helps to keep a clean and organized workspace. Collaborating with your team members is super easy, and it has a built-in artificial intelligence. As well, all my personal stuff like bucket lists and ideas are organized in Notion. Like I can't even imagine my life without Notion. It's that crazy. Oh yeah, and did I mention it's perfect for digital journaling? Oh yeah, you did, but isn't it quite expensive? It's funny you ask that, because for some reason which I don't understand, it's completely free. Free? Yep, and if you want my template with the bucket lists and all the other cool stuff, then the link is in my description. So is the template the thing you're selling? Oh no, it's also completely free. I don't know, I kind of feel bad just taking it for free. Is there some way I could pay for it? I mean, if you really want to, then liking this video is already more than enough. Huh, okay. Oh, thank you, I appreciate that. But as I can't really journal while I'm making this YouTube video, I dare all of you to give this video your own practical ending by going and experiencing journaling yourself. I'm really looking forward to hearing your stories in the comment section. Okay, ciao!